All right, y'all, that's the Canadian border over there. We here at the Niagara Falls. Got cheese, turkey. This is good eating, man. Hey family, thanks for tuning in. This episode is about the last road trip that we took, our Niagara Falls trip. But before getting on the road, Zach wanted to pray for our traveling mercies.
Dear Heavenly Father, I pray that you protect me and my family on our road trip from here to Niagara Falls to Ohio.
Look at that fog down there. It's 10 degrees, y'all. It's like I take a deep breath and want to cough. Got cheese, turkey, no spoons. I'm not gonna blame the kids though. I ain't gonna blame the kids. Did I just blame y'all by saying I'm not gonna blame y'all? But we don't have any spoons or forks, right? So I'm gonna use a cookie to get the mayo out of the mayonnaise. What in the world? Y'all hear Zach in the video talking? Thank goodness for Chef Boyardee. This is gonna work, y'all. I was gonna make 2 sandwiches, but I think I'm gonna be good with 1. That's that real Hellman's mayonnaise. Kids. I'm blaming everything on the kids, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, don't be messing with my kids. They my kids. That's enough. Here we go, y'all. I want to get a lot of crumbs in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all know I like extra mayonnaise. Don't tell nobody. Cold cut sandwich. We're somewhere, I think we're 2 miles. We're 2 hours south of Niagara Falls on our way. This is good eating, man. This bread is so fresh. I bought this bread. Where did I go to Walmart 2 days ago? What's the name of this town, y'all? Cascading? I think we're in Cascading. Falls, y'all, 8 miles. All right, y'all, we just pulled up to the Hampton. Oh, got my luggage. Y'all ready?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, I got gifts already?
Oh,
okay, I'll give them to me upstairs, okay?
Okay.
I got more socks, y'all. Zach just got me some socks a couple weeks ago. They better have gave me my socks this year. I was waiting. I was kind of disappointed when I went to the house. Here. $3.25. Look at this, y'all. Nothing is moving out there. Okay, there's a car moving over there. There's 2 cars moving. 3 cars. But once they pass, nothing is moving. Everything is slow. All right, y'all. We don't know. We know we are in Niagara Falls. But we trying to figure out where is the falls. Where is the falls? I'm thinking we should go straight down here first. Yeah. Yeah, we want to go near the bridge where we cross into Canada. We're not going to Canada because we don't have our papers. We need our papers. We gotta go this way. Souvenirs. You know you're in the right spot when you see the souvenirs. Y'all want to ask somebody? Oh, you just want to venture and scout ourselves. Ask them where the falls. Ask them which way to the falls. All right, y'all, that's the Canadian border over there. We're walking on ice right here. Oh, you could walk across the bridge right there. Okay. I see what's going on now. All right, y'all. We're walking up on Niagara Falls, Lake Erie. We're walking into where, is it Huron pours into Lake Erie? It looks like I see a mist down there.
Native mist.
That's the boat. All right, y'all, we got a map right there. See right there, looks like the mist is happening right there. So we're gonna walk down that way. And that's the Canadian bridge right there. That's what we see right, well, not the Canadian bridge, the bridge to Canada. All right, let's do Rainbow Bridge. The Rainbow Bridge. There we go, there it is. You hear it now, Zach? Sound like a helicopter, right? I want to go up on there, y'all. They won't let us up on there. I want to go up on that thing, but it's closed. There's two words I can use to describe Niagara Falls. That's amazing and powerful. About to be 2025, y'all. We here at the Niagara Falls, right across the river from Canada. I believe this is the Niagara River. We'd love to go up on that thing right there, but evidently it's closed. But we're definitely gonna go across the water to, it's another platform over there, observation deck. And the way you get there is across one of these bridges here.
I like
oh,
this
that's nice,
picture.
yeah.
This kid in the
Take one with all of us though.